everyone, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome to my Profit Alliance review. So, Profit Alliance is the latest launch by Michael Cheney, and it was released yesterday, launched yesterday on Warrior Plus on the 8th of November. Okay, I have purchased this product myself. I have finished going through all of that it comes with. I mean, all of the tutorials is like a training course with a guaranteed approval to his previous launch. Okay, and in short, okay, as you can see here or there, I'm right inside of the members area of Profit Alliance. Okay, and as I said, it's going to give you a guaranteed approve to his previous launch called 7-figure system or affiliate system, something like that. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. And you would also get 100% commission across the whole funnel for promoting his previous product. Okay, now there's way more that comes to it, guys, to understand what you would be getting yourself into and whether you would be making any money with it or not. So we'll go through everything. I'll give you my personal opinion on that. So let's jump in and go through all of it bit by bit. Okay, so this is the members area, and just to hold on. Okay, here we are on the sales page. We'll check everything out, including the upsells as well. Okay, so this is Michael Cheney. Now, the thing about Michael Cheney, obviously he's a multi-millionaire. Okay, he's been around the block in this affiliate marketing industry for decades. So obviously, and he's got a few upsells here. Okay. So now here, let me show you his previous products and what kind of product you would be approved automatically is this one. Okay, so if you buy Profit Alliance, I know it's kind of like funny, and he's already made over 500 sales. It launched yesterday. It is kind of funny because this product is just giving you okay, approval to promote his previous product. Okay, and if you promote this product, 7-figure launch system, okay, I'll show you this product as well. I have a members area, so I'll show you which product you would be automatically approved to guaranteed, okay, as an affiliate, and you could promote and get 100% commission across the whole funnel. But what I'm saying is kind of funny because it's yeah, it does come with the training, okay, this Profit Alliance on how to get the traffic and a bit more. I'll go in more into detail once we go through once I give you the walkthrough the members area. But the point I'm trying to make is this, if you promote this product, let me show you. If you promote this 7 launch something, okay, as an affiliate, you get 100% commission across the whole funnel anyway. Let me just prove it to you. But that's the thing, okay? As a newbie, you would not necessarily get approved to promote this product. So this 7-figure launch system, let me show you, because you see, now if I promote it as an affiliate, and it's not because I bought the Profit Alliance, it's not because I, got his latest launch. That's why I have 100% commission across the whole funnel. No, if you generally, if you promote this 7-figure launch system, you get 100% commission across the whole funnel anyway. But that's the thing, I guess. He would be quite selective as to whom he would approve or not, because he wants quality affiliates and people who will send quality traffic to his to this funnel. I guess that's the idea, and that's his point here. Okay, and as I was saying, Michael Cheney has been around the block for quite some time, and as you can see, he has not launched many products. A few. Okay, he's got over three 0.5 score, so that's decent. It says I like it. And, you know, this is the popular one, 7-figure affiliate system, okay? He's got a lot of offers at he's like back-end offers as well, guys. So I'm just gonna like give you as unbiased and objective perspective to it as I possibly can, because on one hand, yes, if you're a newbie, okay, you get started with Michael Cheney, and I mean, you can learn a lot from him because his training courses are really good quality. And as I was going through this, you know, through the members area of Profit Alliance, okay, and just to like prove to you, I don't have to, but let me show you, I did buy it. If I go to purchase history on Warrior Plus, you see that that's the one, Profit Alliance. So it's $10. Okay, it's $10. In my opinion, it's well worth the money, but I would hold, if I was you, I would hold your horses, okay? I would hold my horses if I was you, especially if I was a newbie. As to buying more like upgrades, you can if you want, if you're serious about it. But bear in mind that, you know, Michael Cheney has a lot of back-end offers. I mean, some of them are like, you know, thousands of dollars. So you're getting on his list, obviously, and, you know, you will be his target, so to speak. So it's hard to like give you like a straightforward advice. I don't know where you are on your affiliate marketing journey. For example, I know as I was going through this training, I did find out still, you know, some things that I wasn't aware of, obviously, and some good like pieces of information, because here in the main training, he will, let me just maybe, okay, show to you the kind of videos he makes. It's all very beautifully edited. And I mean, he talks fast. Okay, this is just getting started, but grab your link. It's all about, you see here, let me just play this video. I muted. So that's Michael Cheney. And he talks fast. I was like, oh, okay. Like my ears were shaking when I was listening to him. Like his videos are anything from 2 minutes to 10 minutes long. But, like the amount of information he gives you in these videos is quite so, like a lot, because he talks so fast. So you see, as you can see, the videos have been beautifully done. I mean, he's a very experienced guy we are dealing with. Super experienced affiliate marketer. Okay, and let me perhaps go show you the members area. The sales page, there isn't much to go through, okay? I will attach the link to this sales page just in case you want to grab it, because at the end of the day, it's a training course, guys. And, you know, I'm not gonna claim it will make you money. It will be up to you how you will bring traffic to his previous product, and this is the product, okay? The 7-figure launch system, that's the members area. So, you know, you would be automatically approved to promote, even as a newbie, okay? To promote his previous product, and 100% commission across the whole funnel. Of course, at the back, like, you know, Michael Cheney will have his back-end offers, and he will invite you to webinars and all of that. So, you know, that's how he will make his money as well, because otherwise what would be the point of him giving you 100% commission across the whole funnel and he's making no money? Yeah, you go on his list, and your clients, the people you would sell the system to, would go on his list too, and he would ultimately want them, invited to the webinar, and that would like lead them to his high ticket training course, of course. And that's how it works. So, yeah, briefly I'll explain to you what you will find inside of the members area. So here, you know, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, you would, you know, get signed up from here. And then, you know, if you go from here, Michael will explain to you how to get automatically approved for promoting, again, 7-figure launch system, okay? And then he will, and here you have the option to download this as MP3 audio, download the transcript, download the video, okay? Well, he gives you these fancy options. Okay, so and then you have the get ready made promos. Okay, so they are ready. So the tools are ready made for you here. Okay, let me just open this one up. Okay, you have all of it ready for you to send traffic to. Of course, you will have to, that's your problem, how to send traffic to. But you will have the swipes, all of it, in case you have an email list. Okay, if you don't, he will give you the option to buy some, I guess, solo ads from him. I mean, I would be a bit skeptical about that. It's best if you already have traffic. But if you don't, okay, he will give you some also tips. I hope the lawnmower isn't too loud at the background, guys. He will give you some tips how to get traffic from Facebook as well. Okay, and he does give some good ideas and tips, I must say. Okay, so I know Facebook is has not been created for affiliate marketing in the first place, but he gives you some tips and hacks on how to go around hiding your affiliate links and stuff like that. Pretty good tips, I must say. Okay, and then in this one, get content. He will show you how to create that content, but he talks to the point, I must say. He's very, he talks straight. He's a straight shooter, Michael Cheney, and he says, focus on one source of traffic. Do not try and spread yourself too thin, or you will end up as a pancake, okay? I'm joking. That's my addition. And in this one, get traffic. Okay, here he will send you to the Sandshark list builder where you can buy for $25 a day, I guess some solo ads, something like that. As I said, you may want to try it, but, be careful about that. It's best to create your organic traffic. And guys, I have some info for you on how to create organic traffic in here as well. So you'll get it as a bonus from me. Or I'll just attach it. You don't even have to buy this Profit Alliance. It's gonna be in the description box. These are free courses from me, okay? I mean, they're amazing courses. Anyway. So, you have a link shortener here, link cloaker, get thumbnail blaster to create thumbnails. Okay, stuff like that. And you get some bonuses as well. I mean, a bunch of bonuses, as you can see here. And then you get a chance to upgrade from here and get help if you need, should you need any. And I shall think, he has good support team. Okay, and that's the sales page. Not the sales page does not tell you much about what this product is all about, so I'm not even gonna go through it. It just says a new whole way to grow your income fast, revealed. I mean, no fast, what is fast? I mean, depends whether you have the traffic to bring to this offer or not. That's the bottom line. But he says, reveal the secret of my thousands of per day work from home information business. Well, okay, Michael, you have been around for years, so what are we talking about? But, it's $10 for the front end. You will get automatically approved for his previous launch. You get 100% commission across the whole funnel. So that's fine, Now, your concern will be to bring traffic to it. He will give you some tips on it. I must say some, quite a few good tips, okay? And he talks to the point, so, I cannot, say this is rubbish, because it's coming from straight from the horse's mouth. And, this guy obviously knows what he's talking about again. So guys, that's it. I'm not gonna say much more. I believe I did explain what this product is all about to you. Now, buy it if you want. If not, skip it. And also, don't forget to grab my free courses, whether you buy this product or not. The link to it will be in the description box. Okay, these courses are amazing. Also, they will go hand in hand with this product too. Okay, because they will teach you all about how to generate traffic. Okay, also which products to promote as an affiliate, and the secret of affiliate marketing, what this is all about. I mean, the real secret, but the secret is there is no secret really, but you know, you need to know this and that on how to, you know, how to pinpoint the email marketing game. Okay. And these courses are completely free. Okay. I got them all. I love them. The vendor is amazing. You will love them too, guys. So, all right, whether you buy them or not, you know, all good, up to you, totally, of course. And, you know, I mean, it's an okay training course, more than okay, like training course. And yeah, you get approved to promote this 7-figure launch system automatically. You get 100% commission across the whole funnel for promoting his previous launch. And that's quite a good, decent training course as well. So, you know, but be aware, you know, you will kind of be bombarded with emails from Michael Cheney. I mean, that's the name of the game, sort of. Now, I would look, like, if you're a newbie, I would learn from his emails. So it's even fun to get on his email list just to watch the kind of emails he will send you. That's what I'm doing actually as well. That's why I got his product, because I wanted to get on his email list and, you know, see what this guy is doing. Anyhow. Okay, that's all from me for today, guys. Mwah, love you and leave you. I think my throat is getting dry. Let me get some water. And do you like my roses? Got them yesterday. They still smell amazing. All right, so yeah, that's the thing, you know, like, I was like, why is Michael, like, giving 100% commission across the whole funnel? And he's so generous. Is it generosity or is it desperation? That's what I was thinking, like, Obviously, you know, he wants more and more people to promote his products, and he's like, giving away all of the profits, like, for the whole funnel. But, of course, he has his back-end offers, which are like thousands of dollars, and even if one person or two people got them, he would still benefit big time, right? So that's how it works. I mean, you know, it is what it is. That's the affiliate marketing game. Having said that, you can surely learn a lot from him and, like, watch what he does as well, and how he makes videos, and he's on point with the information he gives in the training course. I cannot say anything, you know, bad about that. So, yeah. Anyhow, take care and see you in my next video. Bye bye.